angels, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am collabing again with my beautiful angels, and in this collaboration we have a Foma from Foma.o, Candice Hampton, Lisa the Curvy Cuban, Shelley Shalaka, and myself. So basically, National Beach Day is on the 30th of August and we all decided to do a beach themed look. So obviously I went with like an under the water marine kind style look, and yeah, I'm really happy with how this look has turned out. All my little bubbles of air are all dropping off my face right now. But yeah, I'm really super happy with how this look turned out. My hair is literally dripping wet because I thought, I'm under the water, my hair needs to be wet. So yeah, make sure you check out all the ladies in this collaboration please, and show them some love because they are super talented and I love them all so much, and I absolutely love doing these collaboration videos with them. So I'm going to be now posting every single Saturday on my channel, once a week, every Saturday. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Get a cup of tea, get a cup of coffee, even have a little beverage if you want one, and get your favourite snacks, and let's see how I turn myself into this under the water princess kind of look. And yeah, I love you all and keep watching. Start off with my base because obviously the main focus is across here. So I'm just going to put on some Ciarte London. It's getting bougie on this channel. I'm going to put some Ciarte London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. Let me tell you, I got this a few weeks ago and oh my god guys, it's absolutely dreamy. It is so nice. It is so hydrating on the lips and they just look super juicy. With the mini lip oil, I got the Ciarte London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh my god, this is a game changer. My skin is dry. If you're new to my channel, I have extremely dry skin and I'm always using different products to try and hydrate and give me that youthful glow. This is gorgeous. It is so nice. And I just wanted to let you know how beautiful it is. It's like literally putting water onto your skin. It's got like these little black beads in it and they just burst and give your face literally hydration, and I am super obsessed. So I definitely will be repurchasing those products because they're really nice. Let's jump straight into foundation. I'm going to quickly do this because like I say, the main focus is the eyes today. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Liquid Drops. Oh my god, this is my newfound favourite. It's so lightweight, especially for summer, and I'm in the shade F4, so I'm just going to apply that really quickly. So that's the foundation, and this foundation is so nice. Now for concealer, I'm going to bring the concealer quite out because like I say, it's mainly focused around the eyes, this look, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade 320, which is Porcelain. Primark! Oh my god, I went into Primark and I bought so many primer waters. It's an actual obsession. I can't take myself seriously looking like this either. So it's the rose water one, and oh my god guys, it's £2 and it's amazing. Now I'm just going to go in with my sponge and blend that all out so I don't look like a complete and utter crazy woman. Set that, so I'm going to set that in place with my Rimmel Stay Matte. I absolutely love this powder, it's one of my favourites. And I'm just going to take a powder puff and just really set that concealer down, set the rest of my face. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to leave the rest of the face and go on to the eyes now. So I'm going to first start off with the Nyx Palette. This is an absolutely gorgeous, beginner friendly, if you want to start off using bright colours. I absolutely love this little palette, and this is what got me into starting off with bright palettes. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, beginner friendly into colour palette. So my brushes are definitely going to need a good clean after this video. So I'm going to pick up my Spectrum CO6 brush, which is quite a packed, dense packed brush. I have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to brushes, so yeah, it's just a big fat brush. And I'm gonna go into this like greeny blue colour here and put that into the inner corner of my eye. This palette is £16, guys, and it's super gorgeous. Beautiful. So keeping with the same brush, I'm just going to go into this blue next to it. It's like a bluey green or a dark green. That right up to the brow bone, and then drag it past the tail of the brow bone. So I'm going to be going into my very dirty Be Perfect Carnival Stacey Marie palette. I'm obsessed with this palette, guys. I love it so, so much. And I'm going to be going into the shade Ecstasy, which is that beautiful vibrant green. And I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. And I'm going to be using my Spectrum A12 brush. Then I'm going to take a big buffing brush. So this is the 142 Zoeva buffing brush. And I'm going to go into Soft Spot, which is this lovely light blue colour. Really bring that out. Blue, and it's called Make Waves. Now I'm going to go into the shade Peppermint and pop that on top of the blue, just to give it that little bit of a shimmery water kind of look. So it gives it like a bit of a watery look, like a shimmery vibe. I'm going to go back into the shade Ecstasy, which is that vibrant green, and pop that on top of the green again, because I feel like we've lost a little bit of that green. I'm now just going to quickly do the brows. So for brows, I have bit the bullet and I'm using Benefit Brow, Precisely My Brow in shade number 5. I just wanted to see what all the hype was about, and oh my god, let me tell you, the hype is good. I absolutely love this, and it's pricey. It's like £20 for an eyebrow pencil, which is expensive really, but I absolutely love it. Literally a couple of seconds and your brows are done. I absolutely love this pencil so much. Set them in place. I picked up the 24-hour brow setter. This is gorgeous. Your brows literally do not move until you want to take them off, basically. And that's brows done. So I'm just gonna go off camera, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back, guys. So that's lashes on. The lashes that I'm using are magnetic lashes, and I got them from Amazon. So I will link these down below. You get 5 in a pack, and they're really, really ideal because I'm really sure that I'm allergic to the lash glue. So I've been opting for magnetic lashes, and yeah, they're pretty cool. I'm gonna add on a few little things to give it that little bit of under the water vibe. So I've got some of these gems from Asda, and they're literally like little water bubbles. And then I picked up these, and they've got like little stars in them, so I thought it could be like little starfish. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So I'm just gonna add them onto my face. I'm gonna just pop a teeny tiny little bit of glue, just some eyelash glue, but it's it's not on my face that I'm allergic to it, it's near my eyes because my eyes are super sensitive. So I'm just going to pop just a little star on, so it's like a little starfish. My NYX little white eyeliner, I'm just going to do like little waves in the water. And now I think that's left to do is lips. So I'm just going to be using this little Retro Luxe lip kit, and this is in this shade Unicorn Dream, which I thought would be ideal. And then it comes with like a holographic lip gloss with it. I knew that was going to fall off. Let's just put a smaller one there, shall we? So I'm just going to go and sort out the hair and do the final look and montage. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoy it. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I upload once a week on this channel, which is every Saturday. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. Please make sure that you check out the other ladies in this collaboration as well. And I will see you next Saturday.